Let's take a look at how rice cakes are made. First, high-quality, glutinous rice flour is selected, which is the key to the deliciousness of the rice cake. Each grain of glutinous rice flour holds a dream of becoming a delicious rice cake. The glutinous rice flour and water merge together in the embrace of a mixer to form dough. Next, the dough is sent to the steaming chamber, where it undergoes a baptism of steam. Surrounded by steam, the dough gradually becomes soft and fluffy. When they come out of the steamer, the dough is soft and elastic. They are then transported to a molding machine, where they are precisely shaped by molds into long cylindrical pieces of the same size. The rice cakes then float through a cold water bath, calming their heated bodies, making them firmer and more elastic. After cooling, the rice cakes are cut into small sections of the same length. Then, they are sealed inside small magic bags to embark on thrilling adventures before becoming a delicious dish on the table.